And one last thing I want to demonstrate in this section, which is how to remove files or to delete files. So let me go into sample Python again and go ahead and type ls to see what's in there. So let's say I'm not interested in keeping this example copy. I want to get rid of that file. So the command for that is rm, which stands for remove. And then the value you give the remove command is just the file path leading to the file that you want deleted. So if I want to do that, and here it will ask you, are you really want to delete this file? And if you just type a lowercase y or the word yes, then it will go through the process of deleting it. And you can see typing an ls command after doing this does in fact show the file has been deleted. I hope this goes without saying, but do be careful with this command, because if you use this command on a file on our class server, once it's been deleted, there's no way to get it back. So make sure that if you're going to use the remove command or the rm command on a file, make sure it's a file that you can live without. Otherwise, well, let's just move on, shall we? So that's one. That's another tool that we've introduced, is the remove command. Now, you can't use this command on a directory. The remove command has to be used on a regular file. If you want to delete a directory, the command's a little bit different. That's rmdir, which is short for remove directory. And I can go ahead and create a new directory here just to sort of demonstrate that works. So I'll call this directory to be deleted. And I'll go ahead and type ls just to confirm that it is in fact there. And now I'll delete it. It has a very short lifespan, unfortunately. And that is that command is rmdir to be deleted. And this will delete the directory and any files that were contained within it. And you'll notice when you run the rmdir command, you don't get the same warning up here. So again, remove command, something to be very careful with, please. I don't want to hear any tear-ridden emails about how you accidentally deleted a file that you desperately needed, so please make sure you're careful with the rm and the rmdir commands. All right, I think that's going to do it for this segment. So again, if you have any questions, well, first let me go ahead and summarize something because it's worth reiterating. The move command and the copy command, the way you format it, the formatting is the exact same. It's cp file path 1, the file path leading to the file you want to copy, and then where you want the duplicate to go. The cp and mv commands are structured the exact same way. It's just instead of cp, you have mv here, and the other difference is the move command will literally take the file and move it, whereas the copy command will duplicate the file and then move the duplicate to the path that you give it here. But other than that, the two commands are formatted almost the exact same way. The only difference is an MV goes in place of the CP here if you're moving the file instead of copying it. So I think that's going to do it for this segment. In the next segment, in the final segment, we'll talk about some other useful tidbits that come with the command line interface, but you should have everything you need to complete the week 11 assignment, but what we talk about in the next class will make your life a little bit easier when you're tackling the last task on the week 11 assignment. So I'll see y'all in the next segment.